Hey everybody, just wanted to hop in here. There's been a hype on Claude Skills. So everybody in my community has been asking me, how do we create Claude Skills? And it's always been pretty easy. So you could even ask Claude itself to help you create a skill. But now it just got easier this week. So what we have is record a skill that just dropped. And I wanted to show you personally, I wanted to get on here, show you my screen, how it works. And in order to use this, you're going to need Claude Desktop. So you're going to have the desktop version, at least for now. When you do, there's a little plus sign right here. So you see that little plus sign on the screen. I'm going to click that, and there's a drop down right above the normal skills. You're going to see record a skill. And when I click that, I'm going to be able to just walk through the process on my screen like I always do. So any kind of repetitive tasks that you keep doing over and over and over again, you do it with record a skill on, and you talk through it audibly. So you actually talk in the background too and say what you're doing. It's kind of like training a team member, and that's exactly what you're doing, only now it's going to automate and Claude's going to do it for you. However, this can be on your team plan. So if you want to have this so your team can use it as well, it's going to be there. But it's for Pro, Max, and Team plans right now. But check it out. I just click on Record a Skill. I click on start recording. I'm actually not going to create a real skill with you guys right now, but I'll show you how to do it. So you click on start recording right here. And when this is up, let's say this is something that I'm trying to do right now. This is actually an app I'm working on that popped up. But I talk through the process of what I'm doing step by step. Again, these are kind of repetitive tasks that I want to do once and then I can automate forever. When I'm done, I go ahead and click done. And this is actually going to create that skill for me, and it's going to be in Claude uploaded, and I can use it over and over and over again. So very cool thing. I will tell you if the task changes, so if the task slightly changes where you got to do it differently, the downside is you will have to redo the skill and make sure it uploads. But guys, for all of you guys trying to make this too hard, or you're trying to figure out what class can I take to create Claude Skills, you literally record your screen, talk through it, end it, and you're done. So it couldn't be easier. I've had a lot of people asking about Claude training, if we're gonna come out with some stuff. Luckily, we actually are gonna be doing a training next month. So for those that are interested in learning more about Claude and all the cool things that it can do, just drop a comment down below that I want in, and we'll make sure we get you on the list. So thank you guys. Have a good night.